In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently uninstall Ubisoft Connect from your Windows computer. Whether you are on Windows 10 or Windows 11, this process is more or less the same. If this helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to completely uninstall this program, you need to go ahead and find Control Panel. However, if you can't see the Control Panel shortcut on your computer or your laptop, then head to Start menu down below and tap on it. Then search for Control Panel by word, and as you can see, it is under Systems. Go ahead and tap on it. Once it opens, look for this option called Programs and Features. Tap on this, and this will list all the programs that are currently installed on your Windows computer. Now, from the list of these programs on your computer, go ahead and look for Ubisoft Connect, and here you can see I have the program. To uninstall it, just tap on it, and you can see we have an option to uninstall or change it, or you can just as well right click on it to get the same features. So if I go ahead and tap on it, I'll confirm by yes, and then this will go ahead and launch the uninstallation wizard for this program. Go ahead and tap on yes, and here you have to confirm that indeed you want to uninstall Ubisoft Connect games by checking this box. You can also go ahead and check this to delete local save games files on your computer that were installed via this program. Now to install, go ahead and finalize by tapping on uninstall here, and the uninstallation process will commence. And as you can see, it is on. Don't close this window until it runs to the end. As you can see, the process is complete. Now just go ahead and tap on close because you are told an installation complete, and here it was successful. Go ahead and close this, and now you can see we don't have the shortcut for Ubisoft Connect. So that's how you can completely uninstall Ubisoft Connect program from your Windows computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.